Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Netspend All Access Card account, alright? So there's a separate website for like All Access Card login, and there's a separate website for a normal Netspend. So if you guys have an All Access Netspend card account, then you need to follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order to log in into your account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Now let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first step is you want to search for Netspend All Access Card. So I'm going to search for that. So you want to search for Netspend All Access Login. Now you can also write Netspend All Access Card, but I just don't want to add the card. But adding it would do nothing, alright? So you can search for it, and it's going to show you open an All Access bank account Netspend. So you want to click on this over here, and it's going to take you to the page, or like the page which we want to go, alright? So once you're in this page over here, this is the Netspend All Access Card account login page. Not login page, but the official page, alright? Now once you're over here at the side, you can see login button. Click on login. It's going to take you to the login page. Now once you're in the login page, basically you need to remember your username and password. So if you remember it, write your username over here and then enter your password over here like this. And then click on login, and you should be able to log in into your Netspend All Access Card account. And if you want the website to remember your username, you can tick mark this and click on login, and your username will be remembered by Netspend, alright? And if you forgot your username, you can click on username in order to recover your username. And if you forgot your password, you can click on password in order to recover your password of your Netspend account, alright? And if you want to create yourself a new account of Netspend All Access Card, click on order a new card. So basically, to create a Netspend account, you need to buy Netspend's card first. So after you buy the card, you should be able to create the account by filling up the form and buying the card, alright? So hope you guys understand the video. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye until then.